Hello, I'm so glad you decided to join us for the training today. Please stick around till the end of the video as we will be going through 4 steps that you can implement in your business to help you grow and scale your business. So today I want to share with you how I added 200k in GCI in less than 12 months using the Freedom Formula. That allowed me to escape the hamster wheel and build a business that gives me more time, more freedom, and more money. So this is me. I'm Alet Marie. I used to be a below average agent and I transitioned into being a trusted professional with 42 closed deals in the last 12 months. So where I came from, I sold 1 property per year for the first few years in real estate, so I wasn't very professional or successful. And now I sell 14 transactions in 1 year and assist other realtors in another 44 closed transactions in the last 15 months. So I went from being below average agent who only sold 1 house per year in the first 5 years of my real estate career, and now I sell consistently at least 12 properties per year since 2020. By implementing the Freedom Formula, I was able to build my confidence, and I now also mentor other realtors. With systems and support in place, we also now enjoy a full-time traveling lifestyle. I would like to introduce you to some of our other clients that also implemented the Freedom Formula in their business. This is Neil Robinson. He was a rookie agent and he broke into the luxury market with 3 closed deals in 1 month. So Neil went from being a brand new agent with no experience and no transactions. So he transitioned into closed more than 3 million in luxury transactions in less than 6 months. Neil was a professional cyclist who transitioned into the real estate industry. He relocated to Cape Town, where he broke into the luxury market with our help. Neil also built a network of 40 plus realtors in the past 12 months that add an additional revenue to his income. This is Johan van Heisteen. He was also a rookie who transitioned into a game reserve specialist with 21 closed deals in less than 12 months. So Johan retired from an IT professional and he was just entering the real estate market to keep himself busy. So he earned 92k in the last 6 months and kept the last 2 years. Johan is a retired IT professional that entered the real estate market after retirement to keep himself busy. After Johan joined our team and started to implement the Freedom Formula, he now specializes in game reserves and farms and currently average 1 closed deal per month. This is Melanie Craddock. She was a self-doubting agent and she transitioned into being a confident, productive realtor. So she came from being a business owner, entering the real estate market and struggling to get listings. She transitioned to being a confident and professional realtor that comfortably interacts with new and current prospects. Melanie is a graphic designer that did very well in her own business. After she entered the real estate market, she struggled for a few months. We helped her with the Freedom Formula to gain confidence and add listings. After a few months, we worked together. She now consistently closes deals. This is Monica Kutsia. She was a low-producing realtor and stepped up and closed 5 deals in 6 months. So she was always overwhelmed and overworked with low sales and no time for her family. And she now closed 5 deals in 6 months while she was managing a very, very difficult family situation. Monica was a seasoned realtor with low production and struggled with prioritizing tasks and always felt overwhelmed. After implementing the Freedom Formula, she transitioned into a composed, structured, and productive realtor. She now spends more time with her family. So who is this training for? You know deep down that real estate is your calling. You want to serve your clients with integrity, build a business that aligns with your values, and finally break free from the chaos. But when deals fall through, leads ghost you, or months go by without real momentum, self-doubt creeps in. You start wondering if you're cut out for this. You're either grinding alone as a solo agent or stuck in a small team with zero real support. No systems, no guidance, just constant stress of figuring it out on your own. Every day feels like a battle between staying in the game or throwing in the towel. Your dream is running your own business, calling the shots, and having the freedom that made you get into real estate in the first place. But instead, you're drowning in tasks that lead nowhere, always busy, never closing enough, and stuck in the same frustrating cycle. You're a driven, hard-working agent who refuses to settle for average. You know you're capable of more, but no matter how many hours you put in, it feels like you're stuck just short of your full potential. Deep down, you question whether you have what it takes to break through to the next level. Goal setting feels pointless because every time you set one, you either fall short or lose momentum before you get there. You look at the top agents in the market and wonder what they have that you don't. Maybe they just naturally better. Maybe they have something you don't. Or maybe you are holding yourself back by not realizing your own strengths. The fire is there, but the motivation fades because you're not even sure why you are still grinding. You might have an impressive sales volume on paper, but when you check your bank account, the reality hits hard. The numbers don't add up. You're closing deals, yet somehow you're still operating on zero thin margins, always one slow month away from scrambling to make ends meet. No one talks about it, but you feel it. The pressure of starting from zero every month, hoping the next deal lands before the bills do. You're ambitious, full of ideas, and not afraid to invest in yourself. You've joined coaching programs, sat through trainings, and taken notes like crazy. But when it comes to implementation, nothing really changes. The same struggles, the same frustrations, the same gaps in your business holding you back from real momentum. And then there's the guilt, the gnawing feeling that you're failing on both fronts, never quite hitting the mark in your business and never fully present with the people who matters most. You tell yourself it's temporary, that you'll make more time for family once things settle down, but they never do. So here is why agents stay stuck. Most real estate agents are trapped in an endless cycle of chasing deals instead of creating a business that brings deals to them. They spend their time cold calling, knocking on doors, running around to network events, or wasting money on leads that never convert. And worst of all, no matter how many homes you sell, they wake up every month at zero, scrambling to find the next client just to stay afloat. You were sold the traditional way of doing things. Hustle harder, grind more, and eventually success will come. But the reality is the model is broken. The agents who truly scale beyond 6 and 7 figures don't rely on outdated, unpredictable tactics. Instead, they build systems that create a consistent flow of high-quality clients who come to them. Most agents believe that the key to more commissions is simply working harder, making more calls, running more ads, or networking with more people. But the real reason agents struggle isn't because they're not working hard enough. It's because they're stuck in a traditional mindset instead of following a proven formula that can set them free. They focus on one deal at a time instead of creating a pipeline of incoming clients. They rely on once-off lead generation tactics instead of an automated system that feeds their business. They put effort into marketing but don't have a structured way to nurture and convert leads consistently. They don't actually build a business that is repeatable, scalable, and systemized. Most agents just dig themselves into a deep hole and build themselves a high-paying job, not a business. So here's the truth. Successful agents don't chase deals, they engineer demand for themselves using a repeatable system. So why not use top agent strategies instead? The agents who consistently close 6 and 7 figures don't grind harder. They use strategies like the Freedom Formula to bring in a steady stream of motivated buyers and sellers who are pre-sold before they even got on the phone. The Freedom Formula is a structured, automated system that turns cold prospects into warm, ready-to-act clients on autopilot. It works because it fixes the biggest flaw in traditional real estate marketing: inconsistency. Instead of relying on outdated methods that leave you guessing where the next deal will come from, the Freedom Formula creates a system that delivers high-quality leads to you every single month. The wealthiest marketers use this. This isn't just a theory. It's how the biggest names in the business scale their income. Dan Kennedy, one of the highest paid marketing strategists in the world, puts it simple. The most dependable and predictable way to build wealth is to create a system that attracts, nurtures, and converts leads for you automatically, predictably, and consistently. That's exactly what the Freedom Formula does. It gives you control over your pipeline, so you're no longer dependent on referrals, random leads, or outdated tactics that waste time and money. Most agents treat their business like a job, constantly grinding for the next commission check. The Freedom Formula turns your business into an asset, a system that consistently brings in new clients without you having to manually chase every lead. So here is how it works. Attract. Instead of running random ads or cold prospecting, you create marketing that positions you as the trusted authority in your market. Capture and nurture. Using proven content and automated follow-ups, you turn cold leads into warm conversations before you ever get on the phone. Convert. By the time a lead is ready to work with you, they already see you as the obvious choice. No more convincing, chasing, or negotiating your worth. This is the exact system I use and continue to use to hit 200K in GCI year after year. This is our story. We are a husband and wife team that work together in real estate since 2021. I started in the real estate industry in 2015 while still running the family print business and being a full-time mom. Paul was a financial director before he joined me in real estate. I love art and music, and I've been part of our church worship team for 15 years. Being business owners for 9 years, we learned how to keep clients happy, how to grow and motivate staff while building and marketing the business. We spent hours on training, coaching, and planning to be better each year, setting smart goals and working hard to achieve them. Now we can apply these skills in selling property and making a difference in the lives of the people we meet. We decided that we wanted to travel while we still sell real estate, and since April 2022, we are full-time on the road. We bought a travel trailer and a truck and travel through the beautiful South Africa, generally staying 1 month in a town. Here are some of our office setups. So how do you implement the Freedom Formula? There is a few simple steps in this process. Take out your notepads. Step 1. Craft your strategic growth compass. Don't drift without direction. Most agents operate reactively, hoping that enough effort and time will magically lead to success. They wait for the phone to ring instead of proactively generating leads. Juggle scattered tasks with no structure, leading to burnout. Chase random deals without a clear roadmap for scaling. This results in unpredictable income where every month feels like starting from scratch. A lack of vision, making it impossible to track progress or set meaningful goals. Constant stress from working in the business instead of on it. Top producers don't rely on luck. They follow a proven, structured roadmap that aligns their daily actions with their revenue goals. Get hyper clear on where you are now, where you want to be, and the exact steps to get you there. Operate with a predictable system, no guesswork. Leverage your strengths and delegate the rest, focusing only on high-impact activities that generate results. A clear, measurable path to growth instead of wandering aimlessly. A business that works for you, not the other way around. The ability to control and predict your income. Eliminating financial anxiety. Define your targets. How much gross commission income do you want in the next 12 months? Break it down into closings per month, appointments, and leads per week. Audit your current activities. Where are your deals really coming from? Double down on what's working. Eliminate distractions. Build a weekly execution plan. Block time in your calendar for only revenue-generating activities like lead gen, client nurture, and deal conversion. Let's cover some frequently asked questions on step 1. What if I'm too busy to create a structured plan? If you don't take control of your schedule, your business will control you. The strategic growth compass isn't about adding more work. It's about focusing only on high-impact activities that move the needle. I've tried setting goals before, but nothing changed. How is this different? Most goal setting fail because there's no accountability or execution plan. This method works because it breaks down your income goals into weekly trackable actions, so you always know if you're on the right path. What if I don't know my numbers or where my deals come from? That's exactly why you need this. If you can't track where your business is coming from, you're flying blind. Step 1 helps you audit your current activities, identify what's working, and eliminate what's wasting time. Now we are moving on to step 2. The secret of making clients chase you instead of the other way around. Most clients spray and pray when it comes to lead generation. They funnel expensive paid leads to the same cookie-cutter IDX site as every other agent. Hope a small percentage miraculously converts after vague, uninspiring follow-ups. Keep chasing new leads instead of maximizing the ones they already have. This results in a constant battle for attention where you look the same as everyone else. Leads who never respond because they don't see you as different or valuable. Wasting money on lead generation while ignoring the gold mine of referrals and repeat business. High-performing agents don't fight for deals. They create demand by making sure potential clients already know, like, and trust them before the first conversation even happens. Running direct response marketing campaigns that drive leads to the magnetic freedom formula solution. engineering referrals on autopilot by turning past clients and leads into active promoters of your business, implementing a matrix, a 5-part system that keeps leads engaged until they're ready to work with you. Personalized lead capture. Put in the right leads with an authority building funnel. Pre-frame positioning. Establish trust before they ever book a call, delivering high-value content. Trust loop content. Email, text, and video marketing that nurtures leads automatically. Influence seeding. Soft touches that keep you top of mind without being annoying. Referral velocity triggers. Systems that turns your clients into your highest converting lead source. This results in pre-sold leads who already trust you, eliminating objections before the call, becoming the only logical choice in your marketing by positioning yourself as the authority, scaling your business without endlessly chasing new leads because referrals flow in naturally. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. So why leave that to chance? What a nice phrase from Frank Kern. Ditch the IDXL site. Your website isn't selling homes, you are. Drive traffic to the Freedom Formula that builds trust before you ever speak to a lead. Automate your influence matrix. Set up a follow-up system that keeps leads engaged without overwhelming them. And leverage past clients like an asset. Most agents let past clients slip away. Instead, build a referral engine that makes them a key part of your growth strategy. The biggest mistake agents make is chasing leads instead of creating influence. Let's cover some frequently asked questions about step 2. What if I don't have a big database yet? You don't need thousands of leads. You need a system that maximizes the leads that you already have while attracting the right new ones. I followed up before, but most leads don't convert. What makes this different? Traditional follow-up is too traditional. This system positions you as the expert so that the lead naturally comes to you when they're ready to act. Do I have to spend money on ads for this to work? No, but paid traffic accelerates your authority. The system works through organic marketing and strategic follow-up, but adding ads scale it faster. Let's move on to step 3, the client conversion code. Traditional conversations that kill trust is most likely your biggest pitfall. Most agents treat leads like numbers, focusing on immediate conversions instead of long-term relationships. They call leads without a clear purpose, hoping to push them into a sale. Offer no real value, just generic scripts that prospects ignore. Follow up inconsistently, leaving leads confused, disengaged, or lost to other agents. This results in being perceived as just another pushy salesperson instead of a trusted advisor. A low show-up rate and weak engagement, leading to wasted time. Clients choosing another agent when it's finally time to buy or sell. The top agents don't chase leads. They educate, nurture, and build authority so that when a client is ready to act, they have only one agent in mind, you. Serve first and sell second. Instead of relying on cold calls, create a value-driven educational course that walks leads through the home buying or selling process. Answer every key concern before they ask by using a strategic video series that positions you as the expert in the market. Implement consistent, structured communication that delivers ongoing value, keeping leads engaged without ever feeling spammed. Use the Home Seller Success Academy to engage prospects and provide value upfront. This results in higher quality, motivated leads that engage with your content before you even speak. Clients who respect your expertise, leading to smoother sales and less commission negotiations. A consistent flow of referrals, as educated clients are more likely to recommend you. A clear competitive edge, making you the obvious choice over other agents. Create a value-driven resource. Develop a short, structured video course such as a Home Success Academy that answers your clients' most common questions about buying or selling. Replace cold calls with value-based follow-ups. Instead of just checking in, send personalized resources that educate and build trust. And systemize your outgoing engagement. Use automated emails and text campaigns to keep leads engaged with relevant content until they are ready to transact. Let's look at some frequently asked questions about step 3. What if I don't have time to create a full video course? Start simple. Record a few short videos answering common questions, then automate the follow-up process. The key is providing value upfront, not making it perfect. Won't I lose business if I give away all this information for free? No. The more value you provide, the more trust you build. Clients don't just need information, they need an expert to guide them through the process. How do I keep leads engaged if they aren't ready to buy or sell yet? Consistent, value-driven communication keeps you top of mind. Email, text, and social content that actually helps will ensure you're the only agent they call when they're ready. Step 4. Use predictable pipeline protocols. Most agents follow up with leads the same way they were taught 10 years ago, without structure, automation, or any understanding of lead behavior. They call leads with no script or strategy, hoping to book an appointment. Follow up at random times with no understanding of when leads are most likely to respond. Dump leads into a cluttered CRM with no automations or strategic workflows. This results in low appointment booking rates because prospects are never reached at the right time. Leads feeling pressured instead of nurtured, making them hesitant to engage. Wasting thousands of dollars on marketing only to let leads slip through the cracks. And you're stuck doing all the follow-ups yourself instead of having a system that does the heavy lifting. Ask yourself, would you want a random salesperson calling you at an inconvenient time, using a generic script and pushing for an appointment you're not ready for? Probably not. So why use that approach with your leads? Top agents don't guess when to follow up or how to convert leads. They use behavioral-based follow-up systems that get leads to book themselves. Behavioral-based follow-up. Instead of calling cold leads blindly, you track their behavior and follow up at the right time with the right message. Intelligent automations. Your CRM alerts you when leads are engaging, allowing you to strike when the interest is highest. Multi-touch communication. Instead of relying on just calls, the best systems use a mix of text, email, and voice drops that match how the lead prefers to communicate. When done correctly, this results in higher appointment setting rates because leads are reached at peak interest moments. Higher show-up rates by following up in a way that feels natural, not forced. Better return on marketing dollars, lowering the cost per booked appointment. A repeatable, scalable process that allows you to step away from appointment setting while still growing your pipeline. Track and trigger behavior. Use a CRM that alerts you when leads engage with emails, text, or landing pages. This allows you to prioritize the hottest prospects. Cold internet leads don't want long conversations up front. Start with a short, personalized text that makes them feel in control. Use strategic timing. Calls and text aren't effective at random. Research shows leads respond best within 5 minutes of engagement. Fast follow-ups wins deals. Let's look at some frequently asked questions about step 4. What happens if I don't have a CRM set up yet? Start simple. Use a CRM that tracks lead behavior and triggers alerts when leads respond or take action. Even small automation steps will drastically improve results. How do I avoid sounding like every other agent in my follow-ups? Ditch generic scripts and personalize your message. A short, value-driven text that addresses the lead's specific situation will always perform better than a cold call. Do I need a big team to implement the system? No, it works whether you're solo or have a team. The goal is to reduce manual work with automation, so you spend less time chasing leads and more time closing deals. In short, all you need to do is craft your strategic growth compass, make clients chase you, use the client conversion code, and use predictable pipeline protocols. And you can start to scale up your real estate business and add 200K in GCI in less than 12 months using the Freedom Formula. So in summary, if you like what was shown in today's training, and you quite like the idea of understanding where you are now, where you want to be, and how to get there, how to nurture leads using a content portal and referral network, you are prepared to give exceptional service with higher conversions and get processes, workflows, systems, and automation in place. Here are a few ways you can do this and start to implement what was shown. Option 1. Hire a marketing team. You can hire a marketing team, however, this will likely fail because any marketer worth his or her salt is already rich and not looking for a job or already built their own multi-million-dollar company. If you do decide to take your chances on someone, it will put you back a minimum of $5,000 per month. That's a total of $60,000 per year. This is without considering the cost of training. Option 2. Do it yourself. You can also do it all yourself and risk the chance of it going horribly wrong. It can take you a lot of extra hours per day to become proficient without any help. It will be hard to maintain a healthy family and work life. It's impossible devoting all the needed hours for this while showing houses, meeting clients, or making follow-ups for the day. Option 3. Test lead generating companies. Test drive the typical lead generating companies out there to generate leads, where you'll need to pay anything from $699 to $2,000 per month for a minimum of a 6-month contract without any ad spend, and get an old school IDXL site while running generic marketing campaigns. They'll also own your website and SEO, so any traction you have will be in their hands. It will be like Zillow upping their prices. Good luck trying to buy out of that contract. Then option 4 is work with us. You can work with us and get the entire system working at a fraction of the price and effort, and ensure you never lose money on renting out your marketing and assets again. You know what works, what doesn't work, and how to add profits to the bottom line. The Freedom Formula was specifically built to solve your client acquisition problem once and for all. Who is this for? Let's just recap on who will benefit the most from working with us. You know deep down that real estate is your calling. You want to serve your clients with integrity, build a business that aligns with your values, and finally break free from the chaos. But when deals fall through, leads ghost you, or months go by without real momentum, self-doubt creeps in. You start wondering if you're cut out for this. You're either grinding alone as a solo agent or stuck in a small team with zero real support. No systems, no guidance, just the constant stress of figuring it out on your own. Every day feels like a battle between staying in the game and throwing in the towel. You dream of running your own business, calling the shots, and having the freedom that made you get into real estate in the first place. But instead, you're drowning in tasks that lead nowhere. Always busy, never closing enough, and stuck in the same frustrating cycle. You're a driven, hard-working agent who refuses to settle for average. You know you're capable of more, but no matter how many hours you put in, it feels like you're stuck just short of your full potential. Deep down, you question whether you have what it takes to break through to the next level. Goal setting feels pointless because every time you set one, you either fall short or lose momentum before you get there. You look at the top agents in the market and wonder what they have that you don't. Maybe they're just naturally better. Maybe they have something you don't. Or maybe you're holding yourself back by not recognizing your own strengths. The fire is there, but the motivation fades because you're not sure why you are still grinding. You might have an impressive sales volume on paper, but when you check your bank account, the reality hits hard. The numbers doesn't add up. You're closing deals, yet somehow you're still operating on zero thin margins, always one slow month away from scrambling to make ends meet. No one talks about it, but it feels real. The pressure of starting from zero every month, hoping the next deal lands before the bills do. You're ambitious, full of ideas, and not afraid to invest in yourself. You've joined coaching programs, sat through trainings, and taken notes like crazy. But when it comes to implementation, nothing really changes. The same struggles, the same frustrations, the same gaps in your business holding you back from real momentum. And then there's the guilt, the gnawing feeling that you're failing on both fronts, never quite hitting the mark in your business and never fully present with the people who matters most. You tell yourself it's temporary, that you'll make time for family once things settle down, but they never do. So if you are still wondering if working with us is your best option, I grew from being a below average agent to a trusted professional with 42 closed deals in the last 12 months. Where I was only selling one property per year in the beginning, I now sell more than 12 properties per year. In the last 12 months, I have sold 14 properties, and I also assisted other realtors in another 44 closed deals in the last 15 months. We have implemented the Freedom Formula that helped me to build my confidence, and now I also mentor and coach other agents. With systems and support in place, we also enjoy a full-time traveling lifestyle. Here are some social proof. I've been the property practitioner of the month. I've been the growth champion. I'm part of the Agent Advisory Council. We've got a very good rating on our Google page. And I've been on stage where we've shared our story and helped other agents to grow and scale their business. Let's look at Neil Robinson, a rookie agent who broke into the luxury market with 3 closed deals in 1 month. He was a new agent with no experience and no transactions. And then he closed more than 3 million in luxury transactions in less than 6 months. Neil was a professional cyclist who transitioned into real estate. He relocated to Cape Town, where he broke into the luxury market with our help. Neil also built a network of 40-plus realtors in the past 12 months that add an additional revenue to his income. Let's look at his social proof. Here you can see some of the properties that he sold. Look at this message. Sold completely off market to investor buyer from my network. 2 properties next door to each other sold back to back within a few weeks. I presented an offer in writing within 2 hours of meeting the seller for the first time. Isn't that amazing? Here is another message we received from Neil. My sellers are cancelling the offer. We all know what that feels like. And said it's fine if they reappear at a later stage. I have another cash offer who says he can perform between 10 and 30 July, signed and accepted by all parties. So that was on the same property. He lost one offer and he got another one. And an offer on the Baykoven, 25 million, subject to bond approval. Let's see how we go. Isn't that fantastic to see how Neil is making progress and scaling his business with the Freedom Formula? Johan van Huisteen was a rookie who transitioned into a game reserve specialist with 21 closed deals in less than 12 months. He was a retired IT professional who entered the traditional real estate market. He earned 92K in the last 6 months and capped the last 2 years. Johan is a retired IT professional that entered the real estate market after retirement to keep himself busy. After Johan joined our team and started to implement the Freedom Formula, he now specializes in game reserves and farms and currently average 1 closed deal per month. Let's look at Johan's social proof. Here are some of the deals that Johan has closed. Here is proof that he capped twice, and he was also the property practitioner of the month. Let's look at this nice message that Johan sent us. From the moment Alette and Paul Murray introduced me to EXP, I fell in love with the model and the opportunities it presents. My journey has been blessed in countless ways as I've collaborated with exceptional agents both within EXP and externally. And then Johan carries on sharing some of his tips with other agents to help them scale their business. Monica Kutsie, a low-producing realtor that steps up and closed 5 deals in 6 months. So Monica was always overwhelmed, overworked, with low sales and no time for her family. She closed 5 deals in 6 months while managing a very challenging family situation. Monica was a seasoned realtor with low production and struggled with prioritizing tasks and always felt overwhelmed. After implementing the Freedom Formula, she transitioned into a composed, structured, and productive realtor. She now spends more time with her family. So you can see that Monica was also the agent of the month. Here are some of the deals that she closed. And here is a nice message that Monica has sent to us. Alette is worth her weight in gold. She goes the extra mile and delivers on her promises. She has always been a fabulous coach and helped me to improve my systems and increase my sales. What a lovely review from Monica. If you need some more proof, let's share some more. Let's look at what Belinda Flynn shared. Training with Alette and Paul is always fun and relaxed, but above all, very informative. I always learn something new, and the topics are always relevant. Melanie Craddock said, they help you putting systems in place and encourage you every step of the way. They are eager to share information and give excellent advice. Do check-ins even after you have finished your course and still encourage one continuously. That's just a short piece of what Melanie shared with us. Here's something that Nancy said. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for all the time and effort you've dedicated to helping me understand the world of real estate. Your insight and knowledge have been invaluable, and I truly appreciate the way that you broke down complex concepts into something I could grasp. I feel so much more confident navigating this. I hope these testimonials will help you feel confident working with us. This is what will happen when you work with us. Consistent lead flow. Never start from zero again. Your pipeline fills itself with pre-qualified buyers and sellers. Hire quality clients. Work with motivated leads who see you as the go-to expert before you even speak. Increased conversion rates. More appointments booked. Higher show-up rates and fewer no-shows. And stronger authority and positioning. Stand out from competitors by delivering massive value upfront. Scalable and predictable growth. A repeatable system that allows you to grow without working 24/7. More referrals and repeat business. Turn past clients into your number one lead source through structured follow-ups and nurture systems. Freedom from the grind. Remove yourself from chasing leads, manual follow-ups, and unpredictable income. So how does all of this work? Let's just have a look at the Freedom Formula again. Strategic Growth Compass. A structured roadmap to clarify your goals, track your numbers, and create a predictable plan for growth. Authority Amplifier System. A high-converting marketing funnel that nurtures leads using value-driven content, video sales letters, and referral-driven influence strategies. Client Conversion Code. A lead nurturing framework that delivers educational resources, automated follow-ups, and relationship-building touchpoints to increase conversion rates. Predictable Pipeline Protocol. A behavioral-based follow-up system with intelligent automations, optimized call and text scripts, and CRM triggers to ensure maximum lead engagement. Referral Engine Framework. A systematic approach to turn past clients into ongoing referral source through consistent, high-value communication. High-impact content strategy. A pre-built content plan that positions you as the go-to expert in the market while addressing every key concern buyers and sellers have. Automated appointment booking. A system that allows leads to schedule themselves based on strategic touchpoints, reducing no-shows and increasing close rates. Scalable systems and workflows. Pre-built automations, scripts, and workflows that allow you to step away from manual lead chasing and focusing on closing deals. So what is your next step? Book a call. Now, if you are ready to stay one step ahead of your competitors and add profits to your bottom line, please schedule a call with us. Just a fair warning, to guarantee the best results to our clients, we can only onboard a certain number of clients per month. If you're interested in getting started, act now, or join the waiting list and watch one of your competitors take the market share instead of you. And there's always a bonus. Gain additional access to our exclusive mastermind calls to openly discuss ideas, ask questions, and brainstorm with top-performing realtors from across the country. And here is our risk-free guarantee. Of course, we back up everything with a guarantee. We guarantee a minimum of 2 additional transactions. If you do not get success, we will support and assist you until you do, even after the 12-month program ends. So now, if you're ready to stay one step ahead of your competitors and add profits to your bottom line, please schedule a call with us. Let's look at some more frequently asked questions. What if this doesn't work? After being in the industry for more than 10 years and working with 1,000+ clients, we've found what does and doesn't work. Our entire lives are spent obsessing over finding ways to help realtors add profits to their bank account. The only thing that will allow it to fail is the execution. How much time is needed to execute this properly? You need to set some time aside to set this up. Once it's set up, there's very low maintenance required from your end. How much effort is needed? Well, we've done everything we could from our side to make it as easy as possible for you. The time you invest will determine your success. If you don't want to make sizable profits and commit time, this isn't for you. I have a tight budget, but I really want to do this. You can partner up with a lender and split the cost. We also have a pool of mortgage lenders that reach out to us daily looking to partner up with a realtor. What percentage of your customers are successful? 100% of our clients that follow our outline action steps are successful. I want to thank you for spending time with us, and I really hope you reach out so that we can work together to scale your business and get you off that hamster wheel.